Hello everybody. So today I will talk about accounting. So now I will show you how to do this journal entries. Receipt 3,300 US dollars cash from customer B on account. So now I will show you how to answer. We receive the cash from the customer B on account. That means in the past, this customer didn't have enough money, but right now, the customer have enough money to pay for us. So in this situation, we have cash, and later that, we need to reduce about account receivable. So I will put about 3,300 in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.